The Lithonia OneUp is a compact, fully integrated LED luminaire with all that you need in one complete package. It features a unique Canlis design with an integral driver and junction box for direct wiring. Installation is quick and easy, requiring no tools other than a hole saw for your ceiling cutout. Fixtures are available in 3-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch apertures, round or square shape, baffle downlights or adjustable gimbals, and choice of matte white, oil-rubbed bronze, or brushed nickel. For an all-in-one Canlis, toolless lighting solution, look no further than the Lithonia OneUp series. Fast, easy installation is the hallmark of Lithonia OneUp integrated LED luminaires. This time-lapse demo showcases a Lithonia OneUp installation versus a traditional recessed can.